National Australia Bank is hiking interest rates. Let's have a look. Hello everyone, Florian.heise here and welcome to another episode of HeiseSays. Grab your stein of coffee because we're going to have a look at this article here from Rate City discussing, NAB increasing their fixed rates by up to 0.51%. So we're starting to see interest rate hikes, which are decent amounts of money per month. This is 0.5%. And remember, the cash rate, guys, hang on, I'll bring it up here, hasn't moved. We're still at 0.1. I will have to update this chart one day. I'm seeing how long I can go without doing it. So, Australia's third largest bank, NAB, has hiked its fixed home loan rates for owner-occupiers and investors by up to 0.51%. This is the second time NAB has lifted fixed rates in less than 2 months, and the fifth time it has hiked at least one fixed rate since the start of the year. Despite today's hike, NAB still has one rate under 2%. Its one-year fixed rate at 1.99. Now, we're still seeing some of those really low 2% rates. I locked in. I think we got 1.99 with CBA. I locked in once I saw them because, I didn't trust, shockingly, I didn't trust our Reserve Bank governor the rates wouldn't go up before 2024. For some reason, I don't have faith. I guess I just don't believe enough. And I'm sure a lot of other people have. But this is going to put a dampening effect on new people getting into the market and investors. It's going to reduce their ability to borrow. So it might cool off housing a little bit, perhaps. So here we go. There's a 2-year fixed rate, and it's gone up 0.25, so $64 a month. The biggest mover is the 3-year fixed, has gone up $133 a month, and these are on $500,000 loans. 4-year is up $79 a month, and 5-year is up $27 a month. We could see 5 years now comfortably over 3%. So, that's another $133 a month. That's your internet connection right there. That's a big chunk, 33 internet connection and 33 coffees. That's filling up the car for a week. That's over a week's worth of petrol. That's a good amount of food that you could buy. So it is turning into a reasonable amount of money. Now, I thought we'd have a look here. This is the change on a $580,000 loan, everyone. This is the most common mortgage here in Australia. We can see just with the numbers, it's an increase of 6.93%, another $154 a month. So we're starting to see serious increases in mortgage repayments, $150 a month. That's not, it's not going to sink anyone, I would imagine. If you're that close to the edge on 580,000, you're in trouble. But it may mean some people may need to tighten some discretionary spending, or it will cool what they can buy. If we go to 800,000, that increase is $212 a month. So $50 a week. We're not getting $100 a week yet. We're still getting $50 a week. So the above rates are for owner-occupiers paying principal and interest on a package with an annual fee of $395. Monthly repayments based on 500K, 30-year loans, over the fixed terms. And, lenders that have moved at least one rate in the last 1 month. So that lenders that have cut variable, 30, that have hiked 4, 1-year fixed, and look at this, all of these that have hiked. No one has cut their 3-year fixed. Everyone, or 41 of the lenders have increased it. Only one has cut a 4-year, and one has cut a 5-year, and 3 have cut a 2-year. So this is what, in the next 3 years, none of the banks think rates will go down, or the cost of money will go down. RateCity.com.au research director Sally Tyndall said borrowers who were planning to take out a fixed rate loan with NAB but haven't locked in yet are likely to be annoyed at this news. The average new borrower taking out a 3-year fixed rate on a $500,000 loan will now be paying an extra $7,500 extra in the first 3 years of their 30-year loan, compared to customers on the old rate, she said. NAB has kept its 1-year fixed rate under 2%. However, it's hard to see it being popular. Customers are unlikely to want to lock in now only to have to renegotiate their home loan in 12 months' time in a fixed-rate market that's expected to be significantly more expensive. The rate hikes aren't going to stop here. Banks are likely to keep hiking multiple times over the next few months as they price in expected rises in the cost of funding. 1 month ago, there were 162 fixed rates under 2%. Today, there are just 111, a drop of 33%, and we're expecting this number to keep falling. By this time next year, customers will be scratching around to find a rate under 2%, she said. Well, it looks like it. I mean, there you go, guys. We can see here, 1 year fixed. Yeah. I mean, there you go. What did we get? We got 4 years under 1.99. So that no one even touches that now. Here's lender, advertised rate. What are we looking at here? 5 year fixed. These are the best ones. So the best 4 year one is 2.27. Variable 1.77 for reduced home loans. Maybe one to get. So, I mean, here's the thing. Let's have a bit of a talk about this one, guys. Now, with regards to home loans, it's usually the second biggest expense families have. The argument is that it shouldn't assume more than 30% of your disposable income, although for some people it is, and it may take more than that with interest rates going up. What you want to do is you want to, badger your bank for lower rates. You want to shop around. We had one viewer, he got in touch with me. He was shifting banks to another bank. They offered him a discount and some cash in hand. But then his own bank said, we'll give you this much money and another rate cut if you stay. And he went back to the competitor, and the competitor said, okay, what you do is take that. Then in 30 days, when the period is over, you come to me. I'll give you more money and a lower rate. So it's a win-win, guys. Always keep on top of it, shopping around to get the best deal. And, really, keep a handle on your finances. Money is so cheap at the moment. You should have extra cash, hopefully, with your mortgage and other payments that you're stashing away or building a buffer, because rates are going to go up. We're going to see it. It will go up. Make sure you have a war chest, everyone. Thanks for watching, guys. And check out this last video I did on the CBA rate rise, everyone. They're all slowly creeping up. And for those of you that are wondering, I took 2 days off because, we have a new baby and it's been a bit hectic. But hopefully it should all be back to normal now. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.